Hi guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I am going to show you Canva newsletter tutorial, how to create a newsletter with Canva. So all you have to do here is to simply go to any web browser and create a Canva account first. So you can create a Canva using your Google account or if you have your Gmail account. So for me, the easiest way to create or sign up for Canva is using my Google account. To start, all you have to do is to click this create a design button. And then here on the search icon, you can search for the specific dimension or let's just say category or social media platform that you're looking for. For this tutorial, we're going to search for newsletter and then pick the very first one that appears. So this is the correct dimension for making a newsletter. And here on designs, you can simply select that design that you're looking for. And all you have to do is to double click. And then if you want to change some descriptions, words, or if you want to delete unnecessary object or elements here, you can simply remove, for example, this one, and then replace the pictures with the image related to your news, to your announcement, or to your company or product. So all you have to do is to edit. For example, you want to change the newsletter to Hooray Today and then adjust. You can click this effects right here to change or to add effects to your caption or to your headline. And then also change the font size, font color. Now, if you want to change or replace the image, go to elements and then look for the specific image that you're looking for. Go to photos and then drag that photo right here. For example, your newsletter is all about Earth Day or something about nature. Then you can look for elements, nature, then photos, and then drag that image right here. You can also delete and edit some descriptions and captions. So basically, that's how easy it is if you just select from any of the design in Canva, and all you have to do is to edit, remove, add, or change the effects. But this time, we're going to start from scratch. So basically, this is what it looks like. And if you want to change the background color, just look for the background color right here for your newsletter. So let's start with the background color. Once you found the background color that you're looking for, the next thing to do here is you need to add a text. For example, this newsletter is all about you giving updates to your customers or clients about your new product or shoe product, something like that. So first I'm going to add, actually this one is optional, but you can follow my way here. You can add a text box or a box right here and change the color and then add your announcement right here or headline. Okay, so for example, this one, you can change the color of this text box. To add text, just tap text and then, place the text inside the box and then add something. Or you can also just simply add this add heading and then enter or type the news or headline. For example, monthly footwear update, and then change the font by tapping Canvas fonts, tap this arrow facing down and look for the specific font style that you're looking for. Okay, so let me drag it right here. Now, if you want to change the color, tap this color icon above. If you want to add effects, tap effects. You can choose from lift, shadow, outline, and a lot more features and options right here. Okay, so basically this is what it looks like, but I want to change this one later actually. If you want to change something, if you think that it's not really, the font style or the font color doesn't match with your background color, you can change it anytime. Okay, so again, if you want to add elements or add something, just tap elements here and then look for example, the box right here. Okay, so I want an empty box, not a text box that has a color. So for example, this one right here, I can change also the text box color and maybe delete this one later if I don't think that this one is good for my newsletter. But if you want this kind of style, then feel free to follow my steps here. Okay, so once you have added your headline here or the title of your newsletter, then you can now proceed with adding something like, for example, this is the final font style that I want to use. If you want to add something like a frame or a box where you can add something like the date or the name of your company, something like that. So you can just simply add it right here. For example, this one is Alexa Company, something like that, Alexa Inc. Okay, so all you have to do is to add a text and put it inside this shape or box right here. And then you can change the font color. It's the same thing. So let me add here Alexa Inc. and then put it right here. Okay, so everything is up to you. I can duplicate this one, put it right here, and then add the date. For example, today. Okay, I'm going to add it right here. Then feel free to change the font style and font color, also the color of the boxes. Okay, so this is what it looks like. Okay, so let me change this to color black right here. Okay, so now that we have this, what I'm going to show you is I'm going to add, let's just say, pictures. So in order for you to add pictures, you can just simply look for the specific picture, or you can also add frames first. So to add frames inside your newsletter, what you're going to do is you have to go to elements and then search for frames. Okay, and then go to graphics or all. Then you can select, for example, square. Okay, and then drag it to the page. Okay, for example, something like this. Okay, let me adjust this one. So I'm going to add my picture inside here. Also below, I'm going to add another frame for my other images. Okay, so duplicate, and this is what it looks like. And I'm going to add a description in the middle. So first things first, go to add a heading, and then you can add a heading and put it or place it in the middle of these frames right here. Later, I'm going to add descriptions and, words or whatever you want to add here. So go to elements, and suppose that I have my product, or let's just say I own this picture, but for this time, let's just use pictures from elements. Okay, go to elements and then look for specific something like shoes. So let's just say these are your products or your company's products. So all you have to do is to upload and then drag this picture right here. Okay, and then another picture, drag it to inside the frame. And then also for this one. Okay, so I have my pictures now. What I'm going to do is I'm going to add a description to my shoes or to my company's monthly footwear update. So I'm going to add it inside the text box right here. So let me type it or paste the information and then change the color to color black, or I can change this to color white. Okay, so this is what it looks like. So I'm going to add a box right here to at least highlight this words or description, so it would be visible, of course. And then adjust the text box, something like this. Okay, so this is the result, and feel free to adjust the frame, the photo, everything is up to you. Okay, so I'm going to duplicate this because I'm going to add more description, more words below the product right here. Okay, add a text and then enter some words or description or information or paste. So basically, this is the result. Okay, so after that, once you're done, then you can add your website below. And also, for example, this page is just the first page, so you can type 1/5 or 1/2, depends on how many pages you have. Okay, and then once you're done, then all you have to do is to tap share, copy link, or download. So this is how easy it is to create a newsletter with Canva. Okay, so I do really hope this video helped you. Thank you for watching. If you have found this video helpful, please do like and subscribe. See you again in our next video tutorials.